Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In Arabic, we got something called حروف الحلق. So, what is حروف الحلق? In English, means throat letters. Why I'm giving you that video? Because a lot of people, when they learn Arabic, they can't pronounce حروف الحلق. حروف الحلق are 6 letters. Before I tell you these 6 letters, you have to know the parts where these 6 letters come from. So here is your throat. Imagine that we got 3 parts of your throat. The up one, middle one, and the bottom one, which is near to your chest. So here is the up one, or what you call it, upper part of your throat. We got 2 letters. So each part we got 2 letters come from gha and kha, ghain and kha, coming from here, kha and ghain. I'm gonna give you examples to understand well how we pronounce ghain and kha. I give you names. Khalid, kha, Khalid, Khalid, Ghaliya, Ghaliya, gha, gha, kha, and gha. For the middle part of your throat, we got 2 letters. Ha and ayn. Ha and ayn. And this ha, understand very well why a lot of people misunderstand and mix between ha, which is strong H, and ha, which is soft H. I understand why they mix between them, because they do not have that letter in their language, especially for people who speak English. They don't have ha. Like حمل, حمل, حلم, ha, and عين, عين, coming from the middle, as I told you before. عين, عمر, عمير, عمر, عمير, عدي. And the last part, which is near to your chest here, the last part, we got the easiest ones. Alif, Hamza, a, and ha, soft H. Alif, Ahmad, Amir, Aybak, and the soft H, ha, like Huda, Huda. See the difference between soft H and strong H. Huda, Huda. Hamza, Hamza as a letter, and Hamza, Hamza and Hamza. That's it. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.